Moving to next part. In this temperature converter, we have converted the temperature from a degree Celsius to Kelvin. So now next part will be moving how to convert this given temperature in Fahrenheit. So in the similar way, we can write the formula for Fahrenheit and get it converted, or simply we can write inside the print statement and get the work done. So first I'll show by writing the formula. So I'm taking a variable f where I'm storing the answer of Fahrenheit. So the formula is like this: Celsius, that is Zika value which user will be giving us, multiplied by uh, the formula is 9 by 5, 9 divided by 5, and outside this bracket plus 32. So this is the formula which will be converting the value of degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So if I want to get this printed, I will be writing output statement print, and with and without F string both you can try. So I'm going without F string. So here I will write temperature in Fahrenheit is, and outside this quotes I will go and call the variable F. So it will convert me the temperature in Fahrenheit and return the value. So let us run and check. Same value I'm using 20.1 float value. So it will be doing both. The C value go and first it will execute this print statement where C plus 273.15 it will return the value, and then this C will go and gets to stored in this F by C into 9 by 5 plus 32, and this F will be returned by this print statement. Here you can see the temperature in Kelvin is the value shown over here, and the temperature in Fahrenheit is. So the best way to test is to check with the value 0. So by entering the value in degrees Celsius 0, it show me the value of Kelvin 273.15, and the value in Fahrenheit should be 32 because 0 into this will become 0. So yes, it is returning the value. The same thing now I can do by putting this formula inside the print statement. So here I go. So this I need to do. And now f variable will not be required directly without any variable. Just I can write the formula here without f string. So check the brackets properly. Yes, so it will be like this. And here you can add, if you want to add f, the symbol for parent, so you have to use quotes, and you can write f. So here you have to put from 32, you have to put a comma. So this f will be written as it is. So let us check again for 0. So here you can see now it is visible. So the brown parts get printed as it is. This is the formula which is doing the conversion. This is without F string. If you want to go with F string, again you have to add here F inside a placeholder. You can do it in the way shown in this step. Now one more thing we can do is we can round off the values. For example, now I'm taking a new input. I'm putting a value as 10.55555. The floating value is so much decimal place. So obviously the answer will also coming in a floating, which will be lots of decimal place will be there. So if you want to control this to 2 decimal, 3 or 1 decimal place, how to do it? Okay. So here first let me show with the F string. So in the F string you have to go and here put colon. Okay. Modifier this I'm using dot 2f for 2 decimal places. So it will control this answer in Kelvin. It will be 283.70. Okay, so remaining digits will be eliminated to f. If you put dot 3f, it will show you 3 decimal places. If you put dot 1f, it will show you 1 decimal place. Okay, and without f string, we cannot use this placeholder and modifier. So here we can use a keyword in Python which is called as round. Okay, so in round you have to put a bracket, and after the formula, close the bracket and put a comma and two decimal places. So let me check if it gives any error. Otherwise, if the brackets are put properly, it will return the answer. So again, same value I will be putting 10.5555 times. And yes, here you can see it is showing me this correctly to two decimal places, but in the Fahrenheit value it is not coming. This 2 is not, so I have to use brackets properly. This 2 should go after 32 comma 2 decimal places. So I'll delete this and put here comma 2. Let us check. Same input 10.5555. Yes. So it is now controlling to two decimal. This was not coming for the decimal places, so it is showing one decimal place. Okay. So we can test with some other number also. 13.4567. Random number. So here you can see it is controlling to two decimal places. Here also two decimal places by a modifier dot 12 and by a round function floating point value to 2f. So I hope this is clear to you how to convert the temperature entered by the user into Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Thank you.